Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. This video will show you how to set camera active in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So right now this is the active camera, and I like to make this camera active instead of the other first one. So what you have to do, there's two ways. First one, go to View, go to Cameras and set active object as camera, and that's one way. Another way is go Control and numpad 0, and now this is the active camera. I can make this one Control 0, numpad 0. You can also make it this one from here, as I said, active. Okay, I hope this short tutorial saved you time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.